Hey everybody, this is the review of the Blink Mini Pan Tilt camera. As you can see, I just plugged it in and it's going through its self-checks. So this is the range of motion that it has. Yeah, really easy to set up. I just set it up after the unboxing, so if you haven't checked out my unboxing video, then definitely check that out. Super easy to set up, and all I did was there's a QR code in the back here. You just scan that, and then that would just walk you through the setup. It asks you information on your Wi-Fi. So it sets up your Wi-Fi, takes your password, and then connects through Bluetooth. It connects to the device here to register the device, and then it uses your Wi-Fi to allow the device to connect to your Wi-Fi, so it can stay connected to you and send you alerts on your phone through the app. So there's yeah, so it's really nice because it's got this range of motion here, so you can use the app and you can actually direct where the camera is going. We're going to be using it for our cat when we go on vacation to keep an eye on her, and I think it's really helpful to have for pets indoors, and I'm sure there's a lot of other applications you can use it for. I think it's, kind of touted as a security camera, but I don't think I'm going to be using it as a security camera necessarily. It does have what they call an arm and disarm feature. So basically when it's armed, basically it detects when someone comes in the room and starts recording. There's a free trial of 30 days, so there's 30 days of recording as you register your device for the first time. And then after that, I guess you pay a monthly fee. I'm not sure how much it is. I haven't looked into it. Got a really good deal on this camera. It was $60 normally, but I think I got it for like $30 for a deal a day type of offer. And it's nice because it's got this tripod mount here. So normally it does just sit flat. So the tripod does not come with the device. This is actually my tripod. So you can just unscrew this and it would just obviously lie flat once you unscrew this. Probably can't do it with one hand, but yeah, so it would just lie flat on this base once you unscrew that. But it's nice because I can actually mount this very high when I want to monitor an entire room. I suppose you could also monitor it or mount it other places. Gives you a lot of flexibility in that way. So yeah, this is the Blink Mini Pan Tilt Smart Security Camera, they call it. Indoor rotating plug-in camera. It does feature a 360-degree view, day and night HD video, two-way audio, motion detection, easy setup. You just see the other specs here. It is made in China. I'm sorry, no, it's made in Malaysia. Designed in Massachusetts. And what other features does it have? Just look at the details here. Oh yeah, it does connect to your Alexa. So if you have other Alexa devices, it will connect to your Alexa devices, so you can get alerts and control it through Alexa. It is an Amazon product, so it's nicely integrated. What else do I want to talk about here? So yeah, there's a disarm and arm mode. The disarm mode, you can actually just do a live view anytime you want and turn it on and do the panning and tilting to check out a room and zoom in on a pet or whatnot. And yeah, really easy to assemble. I think you saw my unboxing video. I just put the camera head on, and this is the battery unit in the tilting device, or the power unit in the tilting device. And that's pretty much it. So if you have any questions, leave your comments on the video. And once again, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. to my videos, so you can get updates for new product reviews that I'm doing in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.